380 days of waiting. 68 days sleeping on a couch. I've now packed my entire life into this thing. And we're saying farewell to normal life. No way. Oh. Yeah, we just saw that. Oh no, man.
Look at them.
Oh, yeah, okay. Get my rod back in. Rigid.
And they're so
flaky.
They're so fun to catch to me that I really.
No way, man. Let's go.
I release them. That's not what I.
Little one.
Like largemouth bass, though. That's an either.
Perfect, dude. The old skibbity live scope, buddy. Wow, those are all fish. This.
Yep.
Wow. That's freaking wicked, dude. Little fishies.
Unless it's connected to the bottom and it's not a fish.
Bite it. Yep.
You did it too early.
Oh, I got excited. I got excited.
You can't wash the screen and set the hook off of it.
Oh my god, that is so cool. This guy's fighting. My god. Yeah. Yay. Oh yeah, I'm pulling. Ooh.
There we go.
Ooh.
There we go.
Yeah, it smells good. He's coming up. Oh yeah.
Oh. Yes, sir. Tank. That is a tank.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
That's a great fish.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on. Come on. Oh my god.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, yes.
Contributed to the live well. Let's go.
Yes, yeah. No, I wanted that.
I love it. It's good for the program.
Nice, dude. Let's go. Let's go fish, man.
Holy.
Yeah, it's good fish. Good fish, brother. Yeah.
Mashing it now.
Let's go. Oh yeah, that's another good fish. Another very good fish. Oh, that was so pretty to watch on the top water. Wow. Boom. I don't even know if I can put that on YouTube.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Man. Nice. That's awesome. What a great morning of fishing. These are sick. Got the stickers made and stick them on the back of the window. And we got Quinn stickies. Sweet, dude. That's so cool. Back at the gas station again. No surprise there. To Mom and Dad's. Cook some of this fish. I got a cooler full of stuff I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the house. The Dodge. That's funny. Green beans. These snap peas. These are snap peas,
yeah,
right?
Snap
Yeah.
peas. Yeah, you can just eat those raw.
Little summer sausage, pepper garlic, goose and duck. Thanks, Sean. I'm gonna try this out.
Yeah, yeah.
I've never had bird. Like I've had duck, but I've never had goose.
No.
But he told me that it's mostly pork.
You think fish is gonna be tough?
Hope so.
Like the outside is pretty crispy.
We'll probably be okay. All right, you got salt. Salt those. Yeah, that looks good. Nice. Very nice.
You gotta give it a little dippy. Uh-oh!
Oh, no.
This stuff's good.
Oh my god, man. I got to sleep in a bed for the first time in so long. It's just really cool to sleep in a bed. That's all. I don't know. Half head. Where I just got, it's a one side, it's the reverse flow. Huh? The back of your head are ridiculous. Catching strays out here.
Oh, this is yours?
Huh? God, that feels better. Might actually be able to live in this van now. Now that heat can escape through the top of my head without having that rug on there. Holy cannoli. Just about to crawl off my head and start walking. Oh, this feels so good. My God. Clean. Well, it's been a first nice couple days of unemployment. I've actually had so much fun in the past couple days, and I've gotten to sleep in beds, which is just so amazing compared to that couch. But now it's time to get to business. Back to work. Start stripping this thing down. It's here now. And we're gonna start doing the rebuild of the back. So I'm super excited for that. And a little nervous because I don't know how it's all gonna go, but hey, what's life without risk? You can't just live in the fear of the unknown. Have to press forward. So we head to my friend's house now and we start stripping this thing apart. And at this point, I'll probably see you guys next week. Hope you enjoyed this last one, this little in-betweener video. Catch you guys on the next one. See those crosses?